If you have ever wanted to start buying or selling SMM panel services, just like likes, followers, views, and comments, then you are in the right video, because in this video I'll be showing you how you can create an account on Zappyconnect.com, which is the easiest and best SMM panel services for beginners. So get your mobile phone or your laptop and let's get started. So guys, I'm right here on my laptop, and I want you to know that if you are using a laptop or you're using a smartphone, the process is the same. So what you just need to do is to go to your browser. Whichever browser you want to use for this is fine. So I'm going to be using a Chrome browser, and then you're going to search, or you're going to go to zappyconnect.com. This is the website I'm talking about on my screen, zappyconnect.com. Once you go to zappyconnect.com, you are going to land on this page, right? You are going to land on this dashboard once you get to Zappyconnect. This is the home page of zappyconnect.com. Now, you can go through the website, you can check out the blog, check out the about and the services. But once you are done, the next thing that you need to do is to click on the sign up button over here. You're gonna need to click on the sign up button at the home page in order to register your account on zappyconnect.com. So once you click on it, it will direct you to the registration page, right? So this is the registration page for zappyconnect.com. Now once you are here, the next thing you need to do is to sign up by filling up your details on this registration form. Now on your home page, everything is going to be blank, although I've already registered before, but I'm going to be creating a new account just for this tutorial, right? We're going to fill up this page, and then we're going to click on the I agree with the terms and conditions, and then we're going to sign up. Now I'm going to put my name as Zappy, and then I'm going to put my last name as Testing. Now for the username, I'm going to put Zappy. So make sure that all your information are genuine and correct, because you're going to be using it to verify your email, and you're going to be getting information on those details, right? So you're going to put your email address. So I've inserted my email address, which is zappytesting4@gmail.com, right? And I'm going to put my country code, which is Nigeria. Okay, so Nigeria, and then I'm going to insert my phone number over here. Then I'm going to insert a password for my account, you understand? And then I'm going to confirm that same password, and then I'm going to click on the I am not a robot over here. Once I do that, I'll click on the I agree with the terms and conditions. You can go and check out the terms and conditions before you click it. So you can read the terms and conditions before you accept the terms and conditions. So once I'm done filling this information, I'm going to click on the sign up button over here. So as you can see, I'm directed to the email verification page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my email address, which I provided when I signed up. So I'm going to go to the email address, and I'm going to provide the verification code that was sent to me in order to verify my account. So I've already logged into my email. As you can see, here is my verification code over here. So as you can see, the verification code which was sent to me is 598201, right? So I'm going to copy that, and you can see there are other information that was sent on the email. So I'm going to go back to the verification page, and I'm going to insert the email code, right? And I'm going to click on submit. So wonderful. So as you can see, I've successfully signed up on zappyconnect.com. Now you can go through your dashboard and check out the tools, the services, and some of the features that's on zappyconnect.com. Now you can use this in order to place an order. This is the order menu, and this is the services. You understand? This is where you see the services that are available on Zappyconnect. Now if you want to add funds, this is where you add funds over here. So over here is the fund history for funds that you have deposited on your wallet. Now for the transaction, this is the transactions that you have made on zappyconnect.com, and here is your profile and also other menu like your API. You can see your profile, your referrals, your tickets, and so on. So over here is your night mode or your day mode, anyone you want. You can change it from black to white. So you've created your account on zappyconnect.com. Now the next step is for you to fund your wallet and also other social media service from Zappyconnect.com. So don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you on the next one.